elephant was wandering in the forest in search of friends. Suddenly, he saw a monkey on a tree. I don't have any friends to play with. Will you be my friend? Asked the elephant. Oh, you're too big, replied the monkey. You cannot swing from trees like me. I don't want to be your friend. Next, the elephant met a rabbit. He asked him to be his friend. But the rabbit said, You are too big to play in my burrow. I can't be your friend. Then the elephant met a frog. Will you be my friend? He asked. How can I? Asked the frog. You are too big to leap about like me, so I can't. The elephant was upset and sad. He met a fox. Will you be my friend? He asked the fox. The fox said, Sorry sir, you are too big. Now the elephant met an alligator and asked, Will you be my friend? Alligator said, You cannot swim like me. I can't be your friend. The next day, the elephant saw all the animals in the forest running for their lives. The elephant asked them, What happened? Why are you all running here and there? The bear replied, There is a tiger in the forest. He is trying to gobble us all up, so we all are running to hide and save our lives. The elephant wanted to save the other animals and went to the tiger and requested, Please sir, leave my friends, don't eat them. The tiger didn't listen and said, Why should I listen to you? I will eat all these animals. You go away from here. The elephant wants to save the animals from the ferocious tiger. So the elephant trumpets, rumbles, and kicks the tiger and scares it away. All the animals saw that the tiger left. They all came out from where they were hiding and they said, Thank you for saving our lives. They felt guilty for what they had done with the elephant. Now they all became good friends with elephants and started playing together.